Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on protein molecules, which is taken from the November 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump in. The sequence of amino acids in a protein molecule is coded for by DNA and RNA. The table below shows some mRNA codons and their corresponding amino acids. So here's all our mRNA codons, and here are all the amino acids that they are related to. So 2.1.1, according to the table, how many codons code for phenylalanine? So what we do is we go to our table and look for phenylalanine, and we see it once, twice. So the correct answer there is 2. So there are 2 codons that code for it. 2.1.2. What is the anticodon for glutamic acid? So let's look for glutamic acid. It's over here. Its original codon is GAG. So the anticodon, remember we're dealing with RNA, is going to be CUC. Remember, G pairs with C, so guanine and cytosine, and adenine will pair with U, so uracil if it's RNA, and thymine, T, if it's DNA. 2.1.3, a section of mRNA has the following base sequence and is read from left to right. So we have GAU, CUC, GAC, AGC, AUG, and ACC. Give the DNA base triplet for the last codon of this section of mRNA. So the last codon is ACC, and we need to give the DNA base triplet. So if it's ACC, the DNA will be TGG. Remember, it's T because it's DNA. So thymine, guanine, guanine. B, first amino acid coded for by this section of mRNA. So the first amino acid, we go and we look at GAU, and we find it in our table. GAU is over here. Its amino acid is aspartate. So there we go, aspartate or aspartate. And that's it. Very easy, straightforward question. And that's it. But before I go, don't forget you can send us more questions just like this, and we'll respond with a personalized video. You can also check out our website for more epic videos. And just a quick shout out to our sponsor. You can find all their details and our details down in the description below. Until next time,